Hey guys, hey y'all, hey everybody. Alright, I'm back with another makeup tutorial today, and today we're going to be doing more of a purplish blue kind of look. My grandma asked me to do this, so shout out to you, Nanny. So we're going to start with the base. So we gotta do primer first. And if I can find it in my lovely disorganized mess of a bag. Look, it's literally like everything that I have is in this bag. So if y'all hear me like doing that with the bag, that's what it is. I'm trying to find my stuff. Okay, so we're going to put Wet n Wild matte primer. Couldn't think of the word. We're going to mix this around our hands, and then we're going to put it all, well, mainly in the T-zone. Ooh, I got it on my eyebrow. Don't need to put makeup on my eyebrow. Okay. I do it all over my forehead because my forehead gets greasy really easily. So. Now we've got that done, and we need to do foundation, which I need to find. Take out one that's here. Here's my foundation. And here's the concealer. Where's my other concealer? That's the question of the day. Oh, here we go. Okay, so first we're going to do foundation. And let's see, yes, it mattified my skin. I haven't used that one yet, so it was a testing for me. Put this on my hand, if it'll ever come out. Okay. Oh, by the way, random fact here. My whole family is enjoying the show The Good Doctor, and it just premiered Monday at 9. And start putting this on. And so I showed my grandma, I watched the season 2 premiere. I watched the season 2 premiere on Tuesday on Hulu, and she wanted to watch it with me. So we watched it, and now she's hooked, and everybody that I know in my family is watching The Good Doctor. But you know, no problems there because it's a great show. By the way, I found my lipstick. It was at my house with the rest of my makeup, so I got the rest of my makeup, and I'm going to be using it today. Let me get my forehead. Okay. Now we've got foundation on, I need to put the lid back on. And now we're going to do concealer. Okay, so I'm using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer. I'm having trouble with words today, guys, sorry. And the shade Fair, or 15. And I'm just going to put this underneath the eyes, and then I'm going to brighten up the face with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Okay, gonna let that dry. And while that's drying, we're going to be using, again, the Age Rewind concealer. Okay, now we're going to blend in the brightening stuff, and we're going to do the eyes last. Okay, now time to do the eyes. The under eyes, I mean. Okay, that's the right eye. Now we're going to do the left. I feel like I've got a hair somewhere. So now we're going to take, I have this powder called Smooth Minerals by Avon. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's focusing. Anyways, wait, focus back on me. Yeah, there we go. It is in the shade Transparent Glow, or MO1. So we're going to open this up. It looks like, I don't want to spill it, but it looks like this. Okay. I want to take my beauty blender and dip into this, and I'm going to put it underneath the eyes. Okay, dip into it again, and do it on the other eye. Okay, is everything blended in okay? Okay, now I'm going to take the Oliver Shadow Brush. I'm going to put a little bit of the same powder on my lid to kind of like give it like a base. Okay. Now we are going to do blush and highlighter. What's this? Okay, I've got literally everything spread out on this counter and it's a mess. Okay, so we're going to take the Milani blush, and it is in the shade 11, or Blossom Time Rose. And I'm going to take my angled blush brush, and I'm going to dip into this a few times, tap off the excess, and circle it onto my cheeks. Okay, that's blush, and now we're going to take this Master Chrome highlighter, and it is in the shade Molten Rose Gold, or 050. So I'm going to take my fan brush right here, and I'm going to dip it in like this. Tap off the excess, and put it on the height of the cheekbone. And smear it down some, so it gives you that glow. It gives you that soft glow if you like bring it down like this. Okay, now that's done, and put the beauty blender up, and we're going to put all my mess back in the bag first. And oh, I forgot to, I'm going to try to do some bronzing today. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to take the brown shade right here and put that on the sunken parts of my cheeks and a little bit up here. Very softly put it on, because you don't want to overpower the blush. Okay, well, hold on, let's put a little bit down by the chin. Okay, now we've got that done, and it is time to move on to the eyes. So first, we already have our base coat on, so we're going to go in with the crease brush, which I did not pick up, and we're going to go in with a soft brown first. So actually, I'm going to take the bronzing shade from the e.l.f. palette and put that baby on the inner crease of my eye. So I'm going to take the bronze shade again, dip into that a few times, tap off the excess, and put that in the crease. Okay. Now we're going to go in with a purple shade, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do a lavender or a dark purple. And I think I'm going to go with the lavender. So I'm in the Vibella palette B35D, and I'm going to go in with this shade. So you can see it, this shade, and then probably a little bit of this shade. And I'm doing that in the crease. Okay, so tap into this one and start. Okay, that's better. Tap into it again, tap off the excess, and barely put it in the crease. I always put at least a light brown into my crease because it makes it look more transitioned and like very like soft and faintly like transition it in. Okay, I'm going to do the same color on the other eye, and we're going to try to do it a little bit better because this one's a little bit wonky, but that's okay, we'll fix it later. Okay, we're going to take, I think we're going to put some more of that shade on both eyes. I like making this as I go. Oh Lord. Okay. Yo, this bathroom is so freaking hot. Like, I'm melting. It's so hot. But there's no air conditioning in here, so, and the door is shut because I don't want anybody walking in on me. So, I'm just gonna have to deal with it. That's Louisiana for you. Okay, do some more on the other eye. Okay, now we're going to take the lighter purple. I almost said brown, I don't know why. Purple and brown are two completely different things. Anyways, we're going to tap into the lighter purple that I showed y'all earlier and put that in the crease some more. Very faintly. This eye looks so much better than this eye. I don't know why. Yeah, that's better. Okay, now we're going to take the all over shadow brush, this one right here, and we're going to tap into the lighter purple and put it on the bottom lid. Okay, now we're going to take the detailer brush right here, and we're going to tap into we're going to do this blue right here. Okay, tap into that, tap off the excess, and we're going to put it on the inner portion of the lid. Grandma also sent to God Bless the USA, and I don't know who's singing it, but it sounds really good and I'm enjoying it, so I'm just gonna comment on that right there. something's off. Oh, like it looks okay. Now we're going to tap into that same blue, and we're going to put it underneath the eyes, on the close to the waterline. Okay, we're going to take some more blue and put it on this side. Okay, now I think we want to add some blue sparkly. So I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 28 color eyeshadow, and I'm going to take this blue down at the bottom in the middle of the last row. And put that, put that on the inner corner of the eye. Okay, now we're done with the eyes, and we can put on mascara and lipstick, and we'll be done. So I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Peacock Flare not lipstick. Lord have mercy. Okay, it is mascara. I couldn't think of the word. Mascara, and it's CoverGirl Peacock Flare. I know I already said that, but you know, just wanted to repeat it for all those people who aren't listening. Okay, so we're going to push it towards the center. It makes, if you push it towards the center, it makes your eyes look more awake. So that's why I'm doing that. Oh no! That's good enough. I don't feel like I don't feel like fixing it. Okay, do the same thing with this eye. Put on the mascara and then push it towards. Okay, now we're going to put on some lipstick and we shall be done. So I'm going to use, ooh, yes, this one. Okay, it is a shade 750 Kiss Me Coral. It looks like this. Oh, put there some more. Okay, and I was thinking, yeah, we're gonna do the, I don't know what shade this is. Oh, 820 Vixen, and I'm going to take the lighter shade, and it's by CoverGirl. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you had a great time watching this video, and have a blessed day. And remember to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and like this video, and share and comment with, share it with all your friends, and comment down below if you like this video. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye bye!